Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope everybody's having a great day. What I have some breaking news. Why are the markets going crazy? And I'm going to give you that news here in a minute. But as you can see, basically everything's in the green. We have Cardano. It's the biggest gainer. We're at 101 right now. We're at some highs, and I'm going to tell you why. We're up. XRP is up 276. Can we break $3? That's what we're looking for. We'll just have to wait and see. Of course, we have one loser here. It's Pi Network, and right now it's at $1.62. But I believe this one will go up as well. Look at the Fear and Greed Index. Of course, this is the market. Extreme fear is where we're at. And there's one prediction that we're on the verge of a recession because Warren Buffett is investing in treasuries right now. So we have to be on the lookout for that. Let's jump into XRP. Of course, we've crossed the Bollinger Band here. We bounced above it, 278. I really believe we can get up to about 286 today is where we're going to end up. But we could drop, let's look here, back down. We could drop back down to about 221 today is what I believe if we do drop. But I think we'll keep increasing based on the news I'm about to give you. Let's look at, I don't want to mess up my... Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's see what it's doing. I swear I'm almost on a dial-up network here. Let's get into Bitcoin. Of course, it's up to 89,000. Looks like maybe we're right at 89,000. Things aren't moving as fast as I would like, but we do see a big green candle there on Bitcoin. And here's the reason why we're seeing such a big increase in crypto. Trump announced today on Social Truth that XRP, Solana, and Cardano will be part of the federal crypto reserve. What we have to do, we have to wait till Friday because Friday he is going to have a crypto summit. And after the end of that summit, we can see crypto currency really increase, so even more. But there was no mention of Bitcoin in the post that he put out on social media, so this is huge. So that tells me the lawsuit, it's probably going to be dropped this week if he is going to put that in as part of the crypto reserve. And there's no mention of Ethereum either. So, there's two cryptos that are not mentioned. But after the summit, he could mention more, or he may mention more cryptos throughout the week. It's just something we have to watch out for or to look forward to in the news. So, anyway, that's what I have for you today. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like. Because I told you those likes, they create the price of crypto to go up. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, I'll